Hi friends, let me show you this color training, dog color training that I received for reviewing purposes. It's a PATPET. As you can see, it's a really nice, clear, like almost white or beige color system. It's really, the remote is really small. You get the color, the testing accessories, the charging cables. You will charge both the remote and the color with these USB-C cables. And you get the contact points and the silicone caps. Small contact points or large contact points. That depends on the size of your dog. Okay, so you can train your dog with 3 different methods: sound, vibration, and shocks. Okay, the remote, it's really easy to use. Let me show you. Okay, here you have the sound button, just sounds. Here you have the vibration button. Okay, and this is the shock button. Okay, you can modulate the intensity of both the vibration and the shock modes. This is the shock mode. Okay, and you can change the level of it. Okay, and if you press it again, you change to the vibration configuration. So you can change it to different vibration length, not intensity, but length. 5 will vibrate for a longer time. Okay. In level 2, maybe it will vibrate really for a short time. Okay. Okay. So that's it. You just have to put the intensity of the shock or the vibration depending on your pet's training level, and well, you will find this color useful to train your pets to do or not do different activities or conduct that you want him to do or not to do. Okay, so you get a full user manual. Of course, you have to, well, understand how to train a dog with this kind of accessories so you get the results you really want. Okay, so, well, if you are planning on training your dog, your pet, this color is a great option, and you will get the results if you use it like the user manual tells you. Okay, so thank you.
Okay. 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 Okay, Piggy. Look at her. She feels the vibration and she wonders what's happening. Okay. So this way you can use the color and train your dog. Perfect. Thank you.